Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Asus laptop sound problems. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and right click on your sound icon right here, and then just click on Open Volume Mixer. Okay, make sure that the volume right here is amped up. Also, the output device is set to speaker. Okay, not any other Bluetooth devices or external speakers, just speaker. Let's say you have enabled Bluetooth and you have connected your earbuds. Well, that might cause a problem. Make sure again that you select just the laptop speakers. And then after that, system sounds right here. Make sure that it's set to 100. And once that's done, you should be good to go. Now, if that still will work, right click on the sound icon once more and click on sound settings. And then in here, go and scroll all the way down until you find more sound settings. Okay, click on it. Now make sure that your speakers right here is enabled. If it's disabled, just right click on it and enable it. Okay, now if it's enabled, click on it and click on properties. Okay, go ahead and click on levels. Make sure that you test it out. Make sure that it is not muted. Okay, and then once that's done, go ahead over to enhancements, disable all enhancements, hit on apply. Now go to advanced right here. If you have it set up to a DVD quality or studio quality, just try a CD quality for now. Click on test and you should hear a sound. Okay, also give exclusive mode applications priority, untick it, hit on apply, hit on OK, and everything should work perfectly fine. Now if that still will work, go ahead and right click on your start menu and click on device manager. And then in here, we're going to find audio inputs and outputs. Find your speaker, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on browse. Let me pick, select audio endpoint. If this one doesn't work, just go ahead and go back to update drivers. Okay, if this one doesn't work, select the other option. Click on next, wait a bit, and then test it out. All right. Now, if that will work, find your start menu, right click on it and click on settings. Now, in the left panel, scroll down, click on Windows Update, and then just go ahead and go to advanced options. And here, click on optional updates, as most of our device drivers will be available right here. Install them all. And then once that's done, just restart your computer. And after that, you're good to go. If all else fails, well, you may need to buy an external speaker, or if it's still under warranty, get it replaced or get it checked by the manufacturer. Okay, and that is how you fix an Asus laptop sound problems. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.